Hey guys, Billy Jenkins here with Silver Creek Doodles. So EmmaXMitchell's little Singleton medium Australian Labradoodle puppy is 1 week old today. So we're excited to let Emma's guardian family come and visit. They're gonna see her and they're gonna get to meet the puppy. So most of our breeding dogs are like Miss Emma. They come here when, they need to for boarding, or they come here if they need anything, but they mainly come here when they're being bred and when they're having their puppies. So us and the guardian families actually become really close. We become really, really good friends, almost like family. I tell them we're family now, even people that we sell puppies to, because we have a bond with each other. But I'm so excited that Emma's family gets to come and visit. We normally don't let the guardian families come any earlier than kind of 7 days old. So it's pretty exciting that they'll get to come here. So Emma's been with us for about 2 weeks now. So they're gonna come here, get to love on her and see her and meet the new little Singleton puppy. Come on, baby girl, let's go.
Hey, baby. Hey. Give us out a kissy.
Hey, pretty girl.
Emma. Hey, girl. We missed you.
Emma. What do you think about Miss Emma?
Hey, I want to see all your big dogs. I never got to see you.
We can see all the big dogs once we see Emma and her baby and then put them back up. So we'll see all them at the end.
I'm so excited. You're so happy to see us. We missed you, baby.
I think, Jane.
I always missed you so much. Let's see right here.
Put that out on your lap.
Okay.
Jane, be nice.
Hey, baby.
You can pet it. Yeah, pet it real gentle.
Let me see your hand.
Ain't it soft?
See that baby? That's Emma's baby. Emma's baby.
She licked on her face.
What do you think, Jane? It's perfect.
Look, Shay.
You see the baby?
You love all these doggies and Millie. See you. She's just one at home.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy.
This one's a girl. This one's a girl. And that one's a girl. This is a boy. And this one's a boy. There's 2 boys and 3 girls.
But I thought this was Archie.
That is Archie. He's a boy.
And who's Miss
Dave. Dave.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so it reminds you when we post videos. You can kind of keep up with us. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.